Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be doing a nail prep tutorial on how to prep your client's nails and what do you do step by step. So let's get into this video. Okay, so first you're supposed to push back your cuticles, but I forgot to record that part, but it's okay. But right now I am gently filing with the 240 grit sanding band on her nails just to remove the shine from the nails. Make sure you're not going too hard, because if you go too hard or not going in one direction, you can damage your nail plate. So make sure you're doing it very gently and going in one direction. As you can see, I'm going from the right side of her nail wall to the left side from my point of view. So just going against that briefly, just going against that gently just to make sure I get the shine off. Okay, and you could also go around there with the extra smaller bit or a different type of drill bit to get under there and cut cuticles. I do that with appointments, but this appointment I didn't cut the cuticles and use that bit. But yeah, but it's still good. I still cleaned around her nails really well with the sanding band. So yeah, but now I'm applying the tips. That's what we're going to do next. We're going to apply the tips. Make sure you measure them from sidewall to sidewall. Make sure it's not too big or not too small. And yeah, and don't put too much glue when you're gluing it. Some people like to put it on there and then glue it down. But me personally, I just put put it directly onto the nail tip. And here's a little hack: if your nail tips are not sticking, you could dip it in monomer, wipe it down just a little bit, and then stick it on there, and it should stick on there really easily. But yeah. Okay, and now we're cutting it down to her desired length. So yeah. Okay, I had her choose what base color she wanted for her acrylic, and yeah. Okay, now we're filing. I like to file before applying acrylic because I feel like that's better. Makes the shape more crisp, gets the shape already. So I do recommend this because I feel like it would be really good to do just to have that lovely shape even after you apply the acrylic. And then you can shape it again when you do have the acrylic. Okay, next we're taking the 240 grit sanding band and we're about to blend the tips. This is really important. Make sure you blend the tips just so it can all lay together and it'll be easier to have a smoother surface to lay the acrylic on top of. So yeah, and always when you're dealing with the client's natural nails, make sure you use a 240 grit or higher. That means 240, 260, 280, anything above 240 is good for. I don't even think they have like 260, 280, but they do. That's nice because it's a softer grit and we don't want to use something that's too hard. So never use a 180. That is more like when you're shaping acrylic, like you're filing over acrylic with the e-file. That's what I would say it's for. So that's why I do not recommend for that. But yeah, no, and most definitely not 80 grit. That will damage their nails. But yeah, only please use a 240 grit when you're blending nails or removing the shine from the natural nail. Oh, and I also have this deal going on right now. It's called Bring a Bestie. Basically, you and your friend can come both and get your nails done for a total of $100, aka $50 per person. You get any length you want. You get any design you want. Like you can get them long, blinged out, charmed out nails for $50. That's a great sale. It's a great sale. And if you want the little short girlies that like their nails short, you can get a cute, lovely, whatever you want. Like, so y'all make sure y'all get in this sale, because I would love to go with my bestie and get a discount and get our nails done together and just have a good girl time. So if you want to have a good girl time with your bestie or anybody you want to, your mom, maybe your sister, auntie, whoever, come on down and get your nails done. Book a bestie deal today. Okay, and then we're gonna be getting into the dehydrator and primer. So I use Me Secret dehydrator and primer, and I also use Young Nails protein bond. Since I'm kind of a beginner, not really a beginner, but I'm mostly a beginner. I'm almost an intermediate because I'm doing really good work. But I do recommend Me Secret and Young Nails products. Make sure you get it directly from the person. I wouldn't recommend going on Amazon because like the prices are higher. And I don't know, I've been hearing little rumors that Amazon has not been given the exact product from that actual person. So just to be safe, I would say just go directly to the Me Secret website or the Young Nails website and get it from there. But it is really good products. It has my attention for at least a month. And yeah, and when you're applying the primer, make sure you don't be stingy with it. Put a decent amount. Like I go in with Me Secret primer and Young Nails primer, and I put a good amount. Do not be stingy with that primer because we do not want no nails to lift. And a little tip I think would be good is to spray alcohol on your nails before you dehydrate and prime, because like I feel like that would be better because, like, I saw like a reel and I tried it out and I think it's going really, really well, you guys. So, yeah, but we use the alcohol is to fully get all the dust off, just to make sure. But the dehydrator also is helping to get all the dust off and get everything off. And what I also would recommend is prep one hand at a time. Because when you prep both hands, okay, prime everything on it, but it has a chance of getting lint on it. And lint it's not the best to be on your nails. It's not really good to be on your nails because it's like little hair or whatever. And it might make the acrylic process, it might lift. You never know, but it's not good to have lint on your nails. So I would say prep one hand first, then apply acrylic, and then prep the next hand, and then apply the acrylic. That's what I would say. I recently have just started doing that. I don't think I did that on this video, but I really recommend to do that. And if you want to really clean and get everything off, spray alcohol before you dehydrate and prime, and let me know how that does for you. But yeah. But you guys, we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share it to your friends. Also, check out my TikTok and my Instagram. Oh my gosh, TikTok almost got banned. I'm so glad it didn't, y'all. Like it technically did, because it was off for like a good couple hours, and then they said Trump said something, and then they restored TikTok. Don't be praising that man now, okay? Don't be doing that, y'all. But it's whatever. At least we got TikTok. So y'all can actually go look at my TikTok. I'm going to post more on it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Check out my TikTok and Instagram. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't. See y'all.